and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur. So Bitcoin reacted swiftly to the latest US CPI data, which came in hotter than expected at 2.4% year-over-year. The slight inflation spike nudged BTC downwards, slipping under $61,000 after briefly touching $61,250, where the Federal Reserve's stance remains uncertain and traders are wary of potential rate hikes.
Ethereum is also struggling, shedding momentum and dipping below key levels, with bears targeting $2,000. Meanwhile, altcoins like Aptos and Ripple saw significant volatility, with Aptos dropping 9% and XRP facing turbulence amid broader market trends.
In another news, a Tokyo-listed Bitcoin holder Metaplanet has purchased an additional 108.786 Bitcoin for 1 billion yen, reflecting its ongoing bullish stance on the crypto asset. The latest stash is worth around $6.7 million.
Metaplanet, often referred to as Japan's MicroStrategy, now holds 639.5 BTC with a current market value of around $40.6 million. The firm disclosed that it acquired the additional bitcoins at an average price of $61,880 per coin, while its total bitcoin purchase averaged $62,790 per bitcoin.
Meanwhile, FTX has reached a significant milestone in its bankruptcy proceedings, as the US Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware has officially approved the company's reorganization plan. This comes nearly 2 years after the crypto exchange's historic collapse in November 2022.
The confirmed plan, which received overwhelming support from creditors, is set to return an average of 119% of the value of claims, with some creditors potentially receiving up to 140% in cash. Approximately 98% of FTX's creditors by amount are slated to receive their repayments within 60 days after the plan's effective date.
So according to the official press release, FTX estimates the total recovery to be between $14.7 billion and $16.5 billion, owing to the assets recovered from various entities, including the US Department of Justice and international regulators.
Elsewhere, Taiwan's Financial Supervisory Commission is prepared to roll out a pilot program for institutional crypto custody. The regulatory agency intends to collect applications in early 2025, and 3 private banks have already expressed interest in participating. The latest move signifies efforts to promote institutional adoption of crypto in the region.
So, according to a report by local media, institutions participating in the pilot must specify the types of virtual assets they will custody, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or DogeCoin, and identify whether their services are for platforms, professional investors such as institutions, high net worth entities, or the general public.
Meanwhile, the National Bank of Bahrain has launched the GCC region's first Bitcoin-linked structured investment fund for institutional and accredited investors. This product was developed in partnership with ARP Digital and is designed to provide a secure avenue for investors to capitalize on Bitcoin's gains.
So, according to local media reports, the structured investment fund is capped at a predefined threshold and offers a unique opportunity for accredited investors to benefit from Bitcoin's upward performance.
This design ensures that while investors can take advantage of Bitcoin's growth, they also enjoy 100% capital protection against downturns. This serves as a hedge against the volatility typically associated with digital currencies.
Well, in another interesting development, South Korea now recognizes cryptocurrency holdings as divisible assets during divorce proceedings. According to a leading law firm in the country, IPG Legal, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can be included in the marital estate, allowing couples them upon separation.
The clarification stems from a 2018 Supreme Court decision that officially categorized virtual assets as property due to their economic value. It gives divorcing couples the option to request a court-ordered investigation to determine their partner's crypto holdings, allowing for the easier tracking of hidden wealth.
Meanwhile, a new Ethereum improvement proposal, EIP 7781, introduced on October 5, 2024, aims to reduce Ethereum's block time from 12 seconds to just 8 seconds.
The upgrade, introduced by Ben Adams, co-founder of Iliad Games, could also enhance data capacity and potentially increase the network throughput by 50%.
While some have expressed concerns about the upgrade's impact on solo stakers, noting that shorter block times may require more powerful hardware.
In another news, Donald Trump's crypto project World Liberty Financial has submitted a proposal to the Aave Governance Forum. The former president and his business partners plan to use the platform for their cryptocurrency offerings.
That's right. The submission aims to establish WLF services as an instance on Aave, with the protocol providing the necessary underlying infrastructure. Well, in return, Aave DAO will receive 20% of all protocol fees generated by WLF and 7% of the supply of WLFI, the project's governance token.
Meanwhile, a new HBO documentary, Electric Money, The Bitcoin Mystery, by Cullen Hoback aired on October 8th. It suggests that Peter Todd, a 39-year-old software developer, might be Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin.
However, the documentary's evidence is largely circumstantial, focusing on Todd's early involvement with Bitcoin and his connections to other key figures such as cryptographer Adam Back.
According to a CNN interview with the documentary's director, Cullen Hoback, Peter Todd explicitly denied being Satoshi Nakamoto, calling the film irresponsible and claiming it puts his life in danger.
And lastly, according to a September 7 report by Bloomberg, Premier League clubs have secured a record-breaking $170 million in sponsorship deals from crypto companies for the 2024-25 season.
Well, this uptick comes as league participants face tightening restrictions on gambling sponsorships, which have traditionally been a major source of revenue for them.
And some feel the move is part of efforts to clean up the image of the digital asset industry following the bad press that came with the collapses of several high-profile enterprises, including Three Arrows Capital, Voyager Digital, and FTX.
Well, that's all in Weekly Wrap for now. This is Amit Sharma signing off.
And this is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. Keep watching 3.TV for more such updates. Do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.